A wonderful morning, everyone. Once again, I welcome you all to English online classes. And you all know that lesson number 3 of Reader we have already started. And in the previous video, we have discussed about the poem that is Adventures with Books. And we have discussed one exercise also, that was complete the following statements. Now we are going to have a discussion about rest of the exercises of this poem. So let's see. This is A4 exercise, and what we have to do, we have to write true or false after reading the statements which are associated with the poem. Look at the first one. The speaker loves reading books. What do you think? Yes, he loves. So that's why this is true. Number 2, he reads all kinds of books. Here also you must have seen that he has talked about so many variety of books, isn't it? So he must be reading all kinds of books. So that's why this is again true. Number 3, he is by nature a dull and boring person. Is he dull or boring person? No, he is not. So that's why this is false. Number 4 is he is bold, independent and adventurous. This is also given that he is very much bold because he has talked about that I am the captain, bold and free, isn't it? So that's why this is also true. Number 5, he does not wish to share his joy with others. This is false because he wants to share his joy with others. He is sharing his joy. So this is false. Number 6 is he is creative and imaginative. Yes, this is true because he is very much imaginative. He is making a number of imaginations also, and he loves to create, loves to be creative. Number 7 is he understands the power of books. That's why he is motivating all of us to read more and more books. So that's why this is true. Number 8 is he does not recommend reading books to others. This is false because he is inviting us, he is motivating us to read more and more books. Now come to exercise A5, where there you can see there is a list of words, right? And below that you can see three webs. Three web charts have been given and their headings have been given, their titles have been given. We have to put these words by observing that in which web chart that particular word will go. Okay, so we can see. First of all, just see the headings of the web charts. First one is places to see with books, right? Means we have to write the words which are the places, which are the names of the places. We have to put them in the first web chart. Second one is words that describe books. It means the books, what kind of books we are reading, whether these are exciting, interesting, or some kind of tragic books are there. So we have to see that which word is telling us about the book, what kind of book that is. We have to put those words here in this web. Third one is common characters in book. It means we have to see the words which can be the characters of the books, which can be the characters of the stories. For example, the living beings like human beings, animals, birds, giants, fairies, all these can be the characters of the story. So we have to write those words here in this web. Now just read which are the words given in the list. Funny, deserts, entertaining, aliens, fairies, parks, gripping, schools, interesting, space, children, animals, giants, oceans, exciting, palaces, wizards, tragic. These are the words. And out of this list, I think most of the words are understandable by you except a few. For example, gripping. Gripping means something which is holding your attention, something attractive, right? And wizards, you all know, magical persons, right? Which can do some magic. And fairies also like that. And tragic means something which is causing sadness, okay, which is causing some kind of sorrow. So here you can see different places. What are the different places you can see over here? These are deserts, you can see. Parks are the places, schools, then oceans, palaces. These are the names of the places. So these will be going into the first web chart. And then second one is words that describe the books. Those can be funny, entertaining, interesting, exciting, and tragic. These are the words which are describing the kinds of books. And the third, in the third web chart, these are the characters. So we have to see which are the character names have been given in these words, in this word list. So those can be aliens. Aliens are the people who are from the new world, from the outside of the world, or we can say the people who are living in the space also. Those are also called aliens, right? So aliens, fairies, we can see children and animals, giants, what else? Wizards. These all are the characters in the book. And in this thing, in the first one, space is also the name of the place that will be going in the first web chart. So this is exercise A5. Now come to A6. Here there is a stanza of a poem given over here, and some words from the 8 box you have to choose, and you have to complete this stanza. And the words are wonderful, pilot, planes, places, high, fly, clouds, and clever. So do it yourself, and later you will find the answer key also, and after that you will be checking whether your answers are correct or not, and you can correct them in your book. So all these three exercises you will be doing in your book itself with a pencil, and make corrections if there are any. So that's all for today's work. Thank you and have a nice day.